Hello, welcome to the second part of the boat challenge. So it's a problem solving challenge. We're all set to go. I've got my sailing jacket on, Bertie's got his hat, and Marcel's keeping watch with the binoculars there, so we'll see how it goes. So the challenge was to get some stones or something else that sinks from one side of the water to the other side. I'm going to show you the drawing that I did, so I'll show you a picture of that now. On and the parts of the boat that I've made. I'm going to show you really quickly, I'll speed it up, how I have made my boat. So we'll do that now. Okay, so I've got my boat here. Captain Bertie said it's okay to set sail. The wind is pretty strong, so it might be hard crossing from France to the UK, but we'll give it a go. I've also given my boat a name, so it's important that all boats have a name before their maiden voyage, which is their first voyage, and I've gone for HMS Acacius, so you might like to give your boat a name as well. First of all, let's see if it floats. Yeah, okay. And can it carry some cargo? Let's see. Perhaps if I put a few stones in, I'm trying to keep it even so that it doesn't tip to one side. It's nice and balanced. All right. Okay, let's give it a go then. Yeah, it's moving forward. Great. Okay, so we got to the other side. Right, so over here need some people maybe to catch it on the other side and keep it in, so they can take the cargo and put it on the dock here. But it seems like we've got a working boat at the moment, so have fun with yours. Make sure you're being careful when you're using the scissors, maybe get someone to help you, and being safe around the water as well. But enjoy your boat challenge, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!